Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing how to change your language preferences in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, in order to change our language, let's first open our app. You can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option pop out. Just tap there, and after that you can see the app language option is available under the content and activity category. You can see the app language over here. Just tap there. After that you can see a bunch of languages are available for you, and currently I have chosen English, which is the international language I guess for TikTok. And based on your choice you can change the language to anything: Canadian, Japanese I guess, and Polski, Romanian. There guys, changing your language in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any suggestions and or confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys, and hit that bell icon for more videos and smash that like button. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Peace.